set new goals for ourselves and our department. And this year, our goal is to kind of get back to scratch cooking as much as possible, as well as using local meat and produce vendors. So currently, we're working with 3D Valley Farms and Morning Harvest to get in more local proteins and lettuces. And that's something that we're trying to expand throughout this year.
This year is a lot of recipes being made from scratch. We even have beef and our sausage coming from a local farm. It's definitely expanded this year. Today we're making Asian noodles with beef teriyaki strips and a turkey and cheese wrap.
So right now we're trying to feed them lots of fresh fruits and vegetables that are local, lots of local proteins, and just anything that can nourish them, but that they also find appealing. We recently hired a district chef. So she has been working with a lot of new recipe development, and we'll start kind of serving the kids out in the schools to see what they're taking to, and just providing them the food that they want, and also making sure it's nutritious.
If you were to ask an elementary school kid what their favorite part of their day is, a lot of them say lunch. So when they come in, they're excited. We like to sort of expose them to new things. If they don't like it the first time, they see their other friends, liking it, they come back and try it again. So maybe something they've never tried at home, when they see it here and they see other kids liking it, then they'll try it. So that's one of the fun things too.
So on our website, we've recently redone our webpage within the district's homepage. It's a lot more user friendly. So I really suggest that they go check that out, and it has all of the information regarding My School Bucks. My School Bucks is new this year. We took feedback from our parents. Many of them were having issues with pulling up transaction histories and using the app the way it was meant to be for My Payments Plus. So we decided to make that switch to My School Bucks to assist our parents. Our website also has our menus that they can click on. They can see what's being offered every day. It's a really good resource for our parents and our students. And of course, if they have any questions at all, they can call our office or email us. My contact information is on that website as well, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that they have.
I would say this year cooking most things from scratch, getting fresh produce and sourcing from local farms. I think that's awesome to, put it back into the community.